Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel DIY craft videos. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am showing you a most beautiful and super classy polymer clay mirrors. These are very pretty, these are very amazing, these are very unique polymer clay mirror decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very stunning polymer clay mirrors, and you guys make these mirrors very easily at home. These are pretty, these are very amazing, these are very unique and super amazing and super classy polymer clay mirrors. These are very pretty ideas, and I hope so you like this polymer clay mirrors. Follow for more details, and if you want different other craft videos, and you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel, and I hope so you like this video and these polymer clay mirrors. I also personally like these polymer clay mirrors and polymer clay craftwork. This is very cheap in prices, and also this is very interesting craft work for especially for beginners and for kids. I also enjoyed these craft work, but if you want tutorials, you can watch tutorials on YouTube, and you also watch different craft videos like pebble craft, red ideas, make cream ideas, and so on. So guys, I hope so you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. And I am appreciate you, and I am very thankful to you for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super classic craft work, and I hope so you enjoyed this video. Then must leave the comment section, comment in the comment section, and tell me that you enjoyed this video or not, and you also hit the like button for appreciation. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and with your family members. And I hope so you like this video, and these mirrors are very interesting and very classy. You must make these mirrors at home, and you also decorate your homes with these polymer clay mirrors. And these are very amazing, these are very unique, and these are classy and very latest ideas for you guys. Take care of yourself and follow for more details, and bye bye, Allah Hafiz.